Rid Kit is a medication used to treat lice, which are tiny insects that can infest and irritate the scalp, head lice, the pubic area, crabs, or the body. This medication works by paralyzing and killing lice. Make sure to carefully read and follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer for your Rid Kit. If you have any questions or are unsure about anything, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. This medication is only for use on the outside of your body. Avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If it does get into these areas, rinse with plenty of water. If you experience any irritation, contact your doctor right away. Do not use this product on your eyelashes or eyebrows, and check with your doctor if you have lice in these areas. If you are applying this product to an infant, make sure to cover their hands and feet after application to prevent them from putting it in their mouth. Apply the product in an area with good air flow, like near an open window. Thoroughly cover the affected area with the product, then use a small amount of water to work it into the hair and scalp to create a lather. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, or as directed by your doctor. Then, rinse and dry with a clean towel. Use a nit removal comb as directed to remove lice eggs from the hair, and wash your hands immediately after use. Since this product does not affect lice eggs, you should repeat the application once 7 to 10 days later to kill any newly hatched lice. If your condition persists or worsens after the 2 treatments with this medication, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience skin irritation that lasts or gets worse, it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist right away. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As always, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions for the proper use of this medication. If you have any concerns or questions about the medication, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Before using Rid Kit, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to pyrethrins, piperonyl butoxide, chrysanthemum, or ragweed. It's important to discuss any inactive ingredients in the product that may cause allergic reactions or other issues. Also, tell your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have had skin infections. If you experience constant or hard scratching of the skin or scalp, it could lead to a bacterial skin infection. If you notice worsening redness or pus, contact your doctor immediately. If you are pregnant, use this medication only if necessary and after discussing the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known whether this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Rid Kit, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how other medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safety and effectiveness of your treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. If Rid Kit is inhaled or swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has overdosed and experiences serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and unusual drowsiness. It is important to take Rid Kit according to the recommended dosage and at the optimal timing for best results. When using Rid Kit, it's important to remember not to share this medication with anyone else unless directed by your doctor. To prevent spreading lice or getting reinfested, it's important to wash all headwear, scarves, coats, and bed linens in hot water and dry them in a dryer at a high setting. If possible, these items can also be dry cleaned, sealed in a plastic bag for 2 weeks, or sprayed with a disinfectant that kills lice. Additionally, brushes and combs should be soaked in hot water for 10 minutes, in alcohol for 1 hour, or thrown away. It's also important to thoroughly vacuum furniture and floors. If you are in close contact with someone who has lice, such as a family member, it's important to check for lice and nits and consider treatment to prevent infestation, even if live lice are not found. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to managing and treating lice infestations. If you forget to take a dose of Rid Kit, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Make sure to store Rid Kit at room temperature and avoid freezing it. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush Rid Kit down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically told to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.